The Dunning Accelerator of the ScaleNorth platform allows you to automate the sending of custom, segmented Dunning letters to your clients. It is designed to help you streamline accounts receivable activities while improving customer relationships and reducing days sales outstanding. To configure your Dunning settings, navigate to the Scale app Dunning tab, then Records, then Dunning Configuration. Here, we currently have a monthly and weekly configuration setup, but you can craft the configurations to your unique needs. In the monthly configuration sample, we can select the bank that payments should be sent to. You can also define the sender of the email, anyone you need to CC, the accounts receivable email, a signature, and a logo. In the Message Configuration tab, you can configure the messages that are to be sent out to the client, along with the cadence. Note, there are 3 different message types. Statement of Open AR invoices, which informs customers of any invoices that are currently open regardless of due date. Upcoming invoices due notifies customers of any upcoming invoices due within a predetermined number of days. And Past Due Notices, which highlights any and all invoices that are unpaid past their due date. Let's take a look at a monthly configuration. We can select the message type. In this case, we'll use Type 1, meaning we'll be sending statements of open AR invoices. You can dynamically insert multiple fields, such as the customer name, recipient name, total remaining amount, age of oldest invoice, yet to be paid, and much more. If you want your Dunning emails sent on a weekly schedule, you can set specific days and times the emails should be sent. For this sample, we'll be doing a monthly schedule, so we'll remove the weekly options. Now for a monthly schedule, you can identify the day of the month it should be sent. Now we'll add a type to message to our configuration. This type of message is a notice of invoices coming due. Here we can set the number of day to 5. This means that we'll be including all invoices that will be coming due in the next 5 days. There are also options to include payment instructions, attach a copy of the statement, and even to CC escalation contacts for the customer. Again, you can customize the message to your liking and include dynamically inserted fields. In this example, we'll configure it to send the message every Friday at 9 a.m. We can also set it to send every 15th and 30th of the month. Now we can see that our newly added type to message has been added to the configuration. Under the Customers tab, we can see the customers that we have configured for the setup. Further, there are Type 3 through 5 messages which are for past due, severely past due, and delinquent invoices. Let's set up a past due notice email notification. After selecting Type 3, we can configure the email and dynamic fields just the same as we did previously. We can set the number of days we want the system to wait before sending the Dunning email. Once again, you can include copies of the statement, payment instructions, and even CC the escalation contacts. To add a customer to this Dunning configuration, simply navigate to the customer record. Under the Dunning tab, just select Dunning Enabled and choose the configuration type the customer should be added to. You can also include invoices for child customers, as well as CC additional contacts. Then save. You can also view all historic Dunning events by navigating to the Dunning tab, then Records, then Dunning Event. Here, we can filter by date. And view all Dunning-related emails that went out during that time period. You can view key details like the customer, message type, sent date and time, and more. Further, you can click into each one and view the detailed Dunning event information, including a copy of the email the client received. This sample includes a table of the open invoices with clickable links to each individual invoice. It also includes the ACH and payment information for easy processing by the client. The Dunning Accelerator helps your business streamline the accounts receivable process by keeping customers informed on their current, upcoming, and past due invoices. With customizable messaging, triggers, and workflows, you can tailor the Dunning Accelerator to fit the unique needs of your business's AR processes and its customers. To learn more about this accelerator and the rest of the ScaleNorth platform, contact ScaleNorth today.